In this video, I'm going to show you how to add charts in Squarespace step by step so you can make your page look more professional, more visual, and much easier for visitors to understand. Charts are a great way to display data, compare numbers, and present information in a clean, simple format without overwhelming your audience. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Squarespace and go to your website area. This is where you manage all of the pages on your site and choose exactly where you want to place your chart. Once you're in the website section, click on Pages. From here, find the page you want to edit and open it. This could be a home page, an about page, a service page, or any other page where you want to display data visually. After you've selected the page, look to the top left corner and click Edit. This opens the page editor and gives you access to all of the content blocks you can add and customize. Now that you're in edit mode, find the spot where you want the chart to appear. Then click Add Block. Squarespace will show you a list of different content blocks you can insert into your page. From that list, select Charts. This adds a chart block directly onto your page. Once the chart appears, click on it to start editing. Squarespace gives you a few different chart styles to choose from, including pie chart, bar chart, and line chart. If you want to compare categories, a bar chart is often the easiest to read. If you want to show parts of a whole, a pie chart can work really well. And if you want to show changes or trends over time, a line chart is usually the best choice. After choosing the chart type, you can edit the text inside the chart. This is where you'll update labels, values, and any other chart details so the data matches what you want to show. Make sure your wording is clear and easy to understand because the whole point of the chart is to help your visitors quickly grasp the information. You can also change the color palette for your chart. This is useful if you want the chart to match your website branding or just make it stand out more visually. Try different color combinations until you find one that looks clean, readable, and consistent with the rest of your design. Take a moment to preview the chart on the page and make sure everything looks balanced. If needed, you can always go back and fine-tune the chart style, the text, or the colors until it feels just right. And that's it. You now know how to add charts in Squarespace and customize them to fit your website. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how professional and engaging your content looks. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy web design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.